So check this out, guys. I put my business card on there. It's not catching on fire. So maybe this could be the new way of advertising, or like a card holder displayer on your property or in your business. And this in the front could have a piece of glass so that this can be prevented from burning, and then they could be sold, and the business cards could be down here or even in the back. Or well, some people are fucking retarded, so you probably wouldn't want to put them in the back because they would want to sue you and say that your company burned them, and that's always a bad sign if someone says your company burned them. So I like how it glows. Like the whole thing just lights up. Check it out. Isn't that super cool? I could just like leave it here. A display of nature. Now, imagine the little waterfall actually working. And then coming down. Oh, I should probably create something like that. That would be super cool and neat. Maybe the business cards could go here. Or somewhere over here where they could be like cautious and take one out. Or from this hand or the right handed. We just gotta be creative, you know? So imagine that someone goes to your office and they're like, what the fuck? And this is you right here sitting down, typing and shit. Scheduling. Some calls are coming in. I don't know what the fuck happened back here. But anyway, some calls are coming in. And then, oh yeah, just give me a minute, please. Hello, who is this? Blah, blah, blah. In the meantime, you're looking around. We're like bugs. The light attracts us. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Yeah, don't worry, we got these for sale. $20 a pop. Still typing over here. Oh, this looks neat. Maybe I should buy one. Yeah, I'm hating like a motherfucker. Yeah, maybe I should, but obviously I'm not gonna tell this secretary lady. Yeah, I'll take one of these too. Thank you very much. Can I order them online? I want like 200. I want them all in my fucking business offices. I got 300 of them. Whatever the fuck. You guys get the drift. Get that money, ladies.